everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be unboxing a slip-on exhaust from Delkevic model SS70 if I'm not mistaken. I'll put a link below if you guys want to see it. And here's my bike right here. Now I will not be doing the installation today, just the unboxing. The installation will be coming hopefully soon. So without any further ado, let's get right to it. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got here. I believe this is the one with the small canister, because Delkevic has different models for the Kawasaki Concours 14. Big canisters, carbon fiber, stainless steel, titanium. This one I believe is stainless steel. Here's the tube. Silicone exhaust sealant that goes inside the tubes when it attaches to the exhaust. Here we have the clamp with the canister. Shipping papers. Ooh, I didn't know this. A Delkevic sticker. Not too bad. And here appears to be the exhaust itself. Alright, let's see. Got this right here. I like unboxings, they're fun. Ah, look at the canister. Ah, here it is. Oh, this must be some rubber bushing that goes inside. Yeah, this is the rubber bushing that goes inside the clamp. We have a nut here. Ah, look at that. Oh, pretty. Let's see how I remove it. Okay, so the plastic is wrapped around this clamp, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the clamp for a minute. I got my toolkit from inside the motorcycle, and I used one of the Allen keys, and I was able to remove it. There we go. Ah, let's see how this looks. Ooh, look at that. It's nice. Look at the welding. Let me bring it closer. You guys can see the welding. Let's see if it'll capture. There it is. It's a nice little weld. All right. It's clean right here. All right. It is clean. Ah, that's pretty. The muffle, I'm gonna remove that because I want it to be as loud as possible. All right. Well, let's see. I'm going to unwrap this and give you like a silhouette image of what it looks like when I put it on top. Okay, so here we go. Oh, the little rubber bushing fell off. Stay there. All right, so this apparently goes like so. Like that, huh? Not too shabby. I almost forgot to mention that inside the packaging of the tube comes the bolts and the little bracket that holds this into place. It's right here inside. Almost forgot that. Well guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this video informative. I should be having the installation hopefully very soon. Florida weather permitting is being a little crazy, so see you guys in the next video. Later.